Hello everyone, so this is just a quick video tutorial to explain something new we've released in Hammer Missions. So this is essentially data verification. What this allows you to do is that right after you've flown your mission, you can verify whether you have taken images in the correct place. You can quickly spot check the data. And we have implemented this because we find that it's a recurring issue in the industry where over 45% of drone pilots say they have to refly their missions 5 to 20% of the time just because they haven't got good data. So what you can do in Hammer Missions is that you can essentially, after you've flown the mission, you go into the mission settings by clicking on the mission gear and you scroll all the way to the bottom. And in the bottom over here, you'll be able to see a button called Verify Mission. So if you tap that button, essentially the data from the drone will be downloaded. So you can see over here, 23 images were taken in this mission, and they've been downloaded directly from the drone, which we can see right over there, which is a Mavic 3 Enterprise. So once all of the data has been downloaded onto your smart controller, what you can also do is you can click on any one of the map images. So essentially images get clustered into a single point, showing how many images were taken in that area. And then when you click on it, it should just be able to show you what that point looks like. So you click on the points and then that brings you to the image. Once you go to the image, you can click on that and you can maximize the image. So over here, the image is loading. And then you can also zoom into the image to make sure that it is as expected in the highest quality possible. And you can spot check all of your data in this way and make sure that images were taken everywhere by simply clicking on the mission dot and bringing up the relevant image. So this is just a very quick tutorial to talk about data verification. We're planning to do lots of new things with data verification, including automatically checking your data for overlap and coverage, just to make sure that you have the highest quality data possible. Hopefully this was interesting. Let us know in the comments below. We look forward to your thoughts.